Have you ever wondered what truly powers your body, driving every thought, every movement, and every beat of your heart? The answer lies within billions of tiny organelles inside your cells, your mitochondria. Often called the powerhouses of the cell, they are far more than just energy factories. These microscopic wonders dictate your energy levels, sharpen your focus, and even play a surprising role in conditions like tinnitus. For health enthusiasts, biohackers, and anyone seeking to optimize their well-being, understanding and supporting mitochondrial health is a game changer. It's time to unlock their full potential. Mitochondria are specialized structures found in nearly every cell of your body. Their primary job is to convert the food you eat and the air you breathe into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the fundamental energy currency of life. Without ATP, your cells simply cannot function. Beyond energy production, mitochondria are deeply involved in cellular signaling, programmed cell death, and maintaining overall cellular health. They are crucial for detoxification, hormone synthesis, and even immune response. Healthy mitochondria mean a healthy you. When your mitochondria are thriving, you experience boundless energy, mental clarity, and robust physical performance. They efficiently produce ATP, fueling every cellular process. This translates to waking up refreshed and sustaining high energy throughout your day. Conversely, mitochondrial dysfunction can manifest as chronic fatigue, low stamina, and a general feeling of sluggishness. Your cells struggle to meet their energy demands, impacting everything from muscle function to organ performance. Optimizing these powerhouses is key to reclaiming your vitality. Your brain is an energy-intensive organ, consuming a significant portion of your body's ATP. Healthy mitochondria are therefore essential for optimal cognitive function, including memory, learning, and crucially focus. They support neurotransmitter production and synaptic plasticity. When mitochondrial health declines, brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and reduced mental acuity often follow. By enhancing mitochondrial efficiency, you can improve neuronal communication and boost your brain's ability to process information. This leads to sharper focus and sustained mental performance. For many, tinnitus is a persistent and often debilitating ringing or buzzing in the ears. While its causes are complex, emerging research points to mitochondrial dysfunction as a significant contributing factor. Oxidative stress and inflammation in the auditory system can damage these vital organelles. Mitochondrial damage can impair the delicate hair cells in the inner ear and the neurons responsible for processing sound. This can lead to cellular energy deficits and increased excitotoxicity, potentially contributing to the perception of phantom sounds. Supporting mitochondrial health offers a novel pathway for relief. What you eat directly impacts your mitochondrial health. Focus on a nutrient-dense diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and quality protein. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and inflammatory oils that can damage these delicate organelles. Specific nutrients are mitochondrial superstars. Coenzyme Q10, found in organ meats and fatty fish, is vital for the electron transport chain. Magnesium, abundant in leafy greens and nuts, is a cofactor for hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including ATP production. B vitamins, particularly B1, B2, B3, and B5, are essential for various metabolic pathways within the mitochondria. Alpha-lipoic acid, found in spinach and broccoli, acts as a powerful antioxidant and helps regenerate other antioxidants. PQQ, present in fermented foods and parsley, promotes mitochondrial biogenesis. Consider incorporating foods rich in polyphenols, such as berries, dark chocolate, and green tea. These compounds protect mitochondria from oxidative damage and support their function. A diverse, whole food diet is your first line of defense. Exercise is a potent mitochondrial stimulant. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has been shown to increase mitochondrial biogenesis and efficiency. Resistance training also promotes mitochondrial health by increasing muscle mass and metabolic demand. Don't overlook the power of cold exposure. Brief stints in cold showers or ice baths can activate brown fat, which is packed with mitochondria, and stimulate mitochondrial uncoupling. This process can improve metabolic flexibility and resilience. Sunlight exposure, particularly red and near-infrared light, can also be beneficial. Photobiomodulation, or red light therapy, has been shown to enhance mitochondrial function, reduce oxidative stress, and promote cellular repair. Consider incorporating it into your routine. Chronic stress is a silent mitochondrial killer. It floods your system with cortisol, which can impair mitochondrial function and increase oxidative stress. Implementing stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga is crucial for mitochondrial well-being. Quality sleep is equally vital. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, including mitochondria. Poor sleep disrupts this process, leading to mitochondrial damage and reduced energy production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted restorative sleep each night. Create a consistent sleep schedule and optimize your sleep environment. Minimize blue light exposure before bed and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Prioritizing sleep is a non-negotiable hack for robust mitochondrial health. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for mitochondrial optimization. By extending periods between meals, you trigger a process called autophagy, where your cells clean out damaged components, including old, dysfunctional mitochondria. This makes way for new, healthier ones. Autophagy is essentially your body's recycling program, leading to more efficient and resilient mitochondria. Start with shorter fasting windows and gradually extend them as your body adapts. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying conditions. Fasting also improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for mitochondrial health. High insulin levels can impair mitochondrial function and contribute to metabolic dysfunction. Intermittent fasting helps regulate blood sugar and supports metabolic flexibility. Your mitochondria are highly susceptible to environmental toxins. Heavy metals, pesticides, plastics, and air pollutants can all impair mitochondrial function, leading to oxidative stress and energy deficits. Minimizing exposure is a critical hack. Filter your water, choose organic foods when possible, and use natural cleaning and personal care products. Improve indoor air quality with plants and air purifiers. Reducing your toxic burden directly supports your mitochondrial resilience. Consider regular detoxification practices, such as sweating through saunas or engaging in activities that support your liver and kidneys. A clean internal environment allows your mitochondria to operate at their peak efficiency. These hacks are not isolated strategies. They work synergistically. Combining precision nutrition with targeted exercise, stress management, and environmental detoxification creates a powerful ecosystem for mitochondrial thriving. Each element amplifies the others. Start by implementing 1 or 2 changes and gradually build upon them. Small, consistent efforts yield significant long-term benefits. Remember, optimizing your mitochondria is a journey, not a destination. While these hacks offer a general framework, individual responses can vary. What works best for one person might need adjustment for another. Consider working with a healthcare professional or a biohacking coach to personalize your approach. Testing can provide valuable insights into your current mitochondrial health, nutrient deficiencies, and toxic load. This allows for a more targeted and effective strategy. Your unique biology deserves a tailored plan. By actively supporting your mitochondria, you are investing in your fundamental health. You are not just chasing temporary boosts. You are building a foundation for sustained energy, razor-sharp focus, and potentially relief from challenging conditions like tinnitus. Embrace these mitochondrial hacks and witness the profound transformation in your vitality, cognitive performance, and overall quality of life. Your inner powerhouses are waiting to be unleashed. Start today and experience the difference.